Hi, welcome back to Felix Art World. Today I will be reproducing this image. This is a dream I had many years ago, and I made a painting of it. On the sky, you see women. In my dream, there was a lot of women, not just three, a lot. It felt like they were my ancestors, something like that, and they were all made out of clouds. It was beautiful. It was a really realistic, vivid dream. Anyhow, my granddaughter Savannah got to see it and she loved it. So I decided to make one specially for her on a canvas. And this is a canvas that I've had for about 2 years. So it's properly cured and I'm gonna reuse it. I already off camera I did the sky, a pour on the sky and the arch that you guys saw on white that is covered in gesso. And all last minute I thought, oh, why not do a video of the alteration I'm making on this canvas? That's why I didn't do a video of when I did the blue part and the rainbow part of it. But here, the doorway is a tricky thing to do. And just with tape and a plastic bag, I did my little stencil. Now is showtime. Okay, so I got my really, really dark gray, like an ash gray. I will say that I blended myself. All my colors are set and ready to go, mixed with Floetrol as my medium. And I am using mostly golden and Liquitex and a couple of Master Stash. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this bad boy right now, and let's see. I sped up the video a little bit in this section. I want to make this video nice and short, sweet and short. I'm bursting the air bubbles with heat. If I let the air bubbles dry, they look like little tiny rocks on the surface of my paintings, and I don't like that. The colors I'm using here are metallic turquoise, metallic purple, sky blue, non-metallic turquoise, and the magenta, and all mixed in with ash gray. I'm heating it one more time with heat just to make sure there's no air bubbles. And let's do a close-up. Here we go. I didn't get that many cells even though I am using metallics. But that's okay. I like the pattern that I see here. See, the cells are tricky. You don't always get cells even if you're using the right stuff. Okay, so it's dried and it's time to remove the tape. And there was leakage. Some of it got under the tape. But I'm gonna scrape it off very gently so that I don't damage the bottom paint. And this is what it looks like already dried up. I painted on some of the women and I like it. Okay, now I need to continue and finish the details on, I need to add more women and the circles I need to add the numbers. I added a thin line of blue to cover the leakage that happened, and on the bottom of the flames I added some orange. The rainbow has many layers of paint. Well, finito, all finished. I think I like it. If you like this video and if I gave you some ideas to do new stuff with your own work, please give me a like and subscribe to see a lot more. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. Ciao, ciao.